Let's see how are files handled in C programming. So when do we need to create a file with C program is whenever you want to store a large amount of data. What type of data is not necessary, it's any type of data you want to store a large amount of. They say suppose you want to store data about a particular topic, some information, or it could be even a day's report of a particular store, or it could be any clinical store, or it could be on sales report. So every day's report can be stored in a particular file. So in that case means when you want to store a large amount of data, then it is required a file to be created. A file could be any text file or a binary file. So usually we create a text file to store data. Coming to operations that can be performed on a file is we need to create a file such that we can store data into it, or we could open an existing file for various reasons. That could be, one could be to read the existing file what was previously stored, and next could be to write some data into that file, and finally once you have read or written into that file, you close the particular file. So these are the operations that can be performed on a file. Now we'll see how to create a file in C. So as we have seen arrays, structures, everything, now we have to find a way how to create files such that it can store large chunks of data in it. So for that we have file data structure. So this should be written in uppercase. This is the file structure which is defined in your standard input output header file. We need to create a pointer of this type structure. So you create file, a pointer variable we very well know, star fp, right? But this pointer is of what type? This file type, so which is a structure type. Okay, we need not worry about what is the definition of this file structure and all. As of now, just understand that when you have to meddle with files or handle files, it is possible through file pointers. So to create that file pointer, we need to create it with this file structure is what you have to keep in mind. Next, to perform operations means obviously the pointer is what we use either to read or write the file or open or close the file. Now, how do you open a file? So we very well know that to write or read or anything, do any operation with the file, first we need to open that particular file. So that's possible with the fopen function, fopen, which takes a file name along with its extension. Okay, then you give, okay, this should be in double quotes, and this should you should specify the mode in which you are trying to open this particular file. So we'll see how this is done.